All right, question 22. In state X, Mr. Kemp's 8th grade class consisting of 26 students was surveyed and 34.6% of students reported that they had at least two siblings. The average 8th grade class size in the state is 26. If the students in Mr. Kemp's class are representative of students in the state's 8th grade classes, and there are 1,800 8th grade classes in the state, which of following best estimates the number of 8th grade students in the state who have fewer than two siblings? Okay, so there's a lot going on here, right? So we have for Mr. Cam's class, out of the 26 students, we have 34.6% have at least two siblings. Okay, and this class is a good representative for all the classes, 8th grade classes in that state. Okay, so we're assuming it's a good survey, right? Everything is good. It says good representation for the whole population. So we can use this percentage for the whole entire population. All right. But then we do have to figure out first what's the total population here. All right, so we have 1,800 8th grade classes, and each class have, on average, right, each class has 26 students. All right, so we can find the total number of 8th grade students that we have first. Okay, so we'll do 1,800 times 26, right? Because there are 1,800 classes. Each class has 26 students. So if you multiply them together, 1,800 times 26, we get 46,800. Okay, that's the total number of students that we have for all the 8th grade classes. Right, and out of this total, right, how many students do we have who have fewer than two siblings? Right, so we look at the percentage here, 34.6% is the student that have at least two siblings, right? So at least two is greater than or equal to two. Okay, so if we want fewer than two siblings, we do have to subtract from 100%, okay? Because we have 34.6% at least two, right? So pretty much everyone else will have fewer than two, right? So to find the percentage that we want, we have to do one extra step here. We have to do 100% minus 34.6%, and that should give us a percentage of students who have fewer than two siblings. Okay, so it'll be 100, 34.6, we get 65.4%. Okay, so we know out of the whole population, 65.4% have fewer than two siblings. They can multiply these two numbers together. So 46800 times 65.4%, 0.654 in the decimal form. Okay, so we can multiply that together. We should get 30,607.2. That's a number that we get. So the closest answer have to be letter C, 30,600. So that will be our final answer for question 22 here.